boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Yes, she's back, Olivia Rodrigo. She's been with us before, but it's long back in time now. She had her album Guts, and we covered many songs from her. But now we have this song called Drop Dead, and it's a part of a new album coming out, guys, in June. I believe it's 12th or so. The title of that album is You Seem Pretty Sad for a Girl So in Love, or something like that. I believe so. So that is the title of the album, and I believe this song will be one of the tracks there. Drop Dead. Let's go into it. So we're gonna start with capo on first, absolute best scenario in my opinion. So with that, we have actually 4 different chords. There are 3 main chords, like 95% of the song. Then we're gonna throw in a 4th one. So let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with the 3 main chords. That's the G first, and it goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is C, and that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. That's the 3rd and the final chord of the 3 main. And then we also throw in the final E minor chord, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So we're gonna use a strumming pattern, very simple. It's down, up, like this. I like to emphasize the 2nd and final down in that strumming pattern in the way that I'm going down on the high strings. Okay, so that gives us some color into the strumming. So alright, so the main part of the song is to play G, 4 string rounds, then C, 2, and D, 2. So like this. 2, 3, 4, then C, 2, D, 2. Again. Then we're gonna play that all the way to the bridge parts, and at 2 minutes and 48 seconds you can hear clearly that they're playing E minor instead of G. So replace the G with this E minor, play that 4 times, so E minor 4, then C2, D2, only once at this timestamp, and then you continue with that G, C, D. Till the very end, we have the outro at 3 minutes and 39 seconds. The final parts of the song, you're gonna play G, C, D, and then you're gonna go back to play C2, D2, C2, and end with just the vocals, Drop Dead. So after you play that G, C, D, you're gonna go back to C, D, and C again, and then Drop Dead. That's what she does, Olivia Rodrigo, and that's the title of the song and how you play it. So very simple, guys. Pretty much 3 chords. You can throw in that E minor as well at that timestamp at 2:48 or so, and that's it, guys. So nice song, nice to start out this album with this Drop Dead song, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. We will probably have others as well, most of them on this channel covered. So be back. Hope to see you soon, guys. Next time. Stay tuned.